Good morning, sir.
Good morning. So, can you tell me about yourself and why you want to become a teacher?
I am Dominic Esmendula, a graduate of course Bachelor of Secondary Education and a licensed professional teacher. I am highly motivated to impart my love of numbers and problem solving to the next generation of students. I wish to teach at Aurelius International Academy to enable students to develop a strong foundation in mathematics through my teaching expertise.
Okay. So, how would you handle a classroom with diverse learners or students with different abilities?
I managed to handle diverse learners by using differentiated instructional approaches that allow for different levels of mathematical proficiencies among students in one classroom. My ultimate goal is to ensure that each student in my class develops the needed proficiencies and feels successful.
Okay. So, what teaching strategies or method do you use to make your lesson engaging and effective?
To make math classes effective for students, I use a combination of direct instruction and problem-solving activities that are related to real-life situations. Through the use of concise and precise language, I ensure that students are active participants in the learning process.
Okay, last question. How do you handle difficult student or classroom discipline issues?
In terms of classroom management and discipline, I maintain a class environment of mutual respect and set high standards of behavior from the first day of school. In case a student faces difficulties in maintaining discipline, I talk to the child privately and maintain a positive class environment that focuses on academic excellence.
So thank you for your time and wait for our call for the result.
Thank you, sir.